Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. You already know what it is. It's your girl Minna in the cut. And as y'all can see by the title, I'm doing an unboxing video. Oh my god. I know what it is, but you don't know what it is, but I know what it is, but do you want to find out what it is? So like, let's get right into this video. And please don't mind this. I'm breaking out on my face. If you know, you know, you know. But like, let's get right into this. Okay guys, so you already know what it is. I have to open this box first, so let's get into this. Open this box first, which is kind of hard. Like, what the heck? Come on. And then, oh, okay. What did I say? It's upside down. I know, but like, let me take it. Oh, asthma. We don't need that much more. Oh, y'all don't understand how much I waited for this to come. Like, y'all see what's on it? Y'all see that? Hold on. Y'all see? Stop playing with me for real. Like, stop playing with me. So this is the part. Apparently it's supposed to be awesome. If you do this, let me find it. Like this part. I hope y'all like that. And then we gotta take this off, right? Oh my god, y'all, it looks so pretty. It looks so pretty. Okay, so now I gotta take it out the thingy. Y'all here to see this. Period, fool. Okay, let me bring y'all closer and bring y'all down. Okay, so we opening this together. Ooh. I'm sorry if y'all didn't enjoy that, but oh my god, y'all, it's so like warm and hot, like, and then you open it up and then it's like this, and then you take, oh bit, and it's already on. Oh my god, it's coming up, y'all. Oh my god, it looks so sexy. Oh my god, look. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Mackbook who? Who on Mackbook? Oh yeah, that's me. It's me. Okay, so now it's basically just asking me like what language I speak or whatever. So this is so bright. I can't get over the fact that it looks so good. I'm most definitely living in the US. I just wanna back in business. So like, I hope y'all can see that. Okay, boom. Okay, now it's telling me to set up my Wi-Fi. Oh my god, it was so like, y'all, I'm not slow. Just to let y'all know, I'm not slow. So baby, I don't see my network. You know, I'm gonna come back when I'm past this Wi-Fi connection issue, because it's not really giving me like another like my laptop. Okay y'all, so now it's just data and privacy. How do you just I'm gonna create a whole new Apple ID for this. Ooh, so it's asking for my birthday. Y'all, it's asking for my birthday. July. Just so y'all know, July. I'm getting used to this little touchpad thingamajig. 25th. Y'all don't get to see my year like that because I'm old enough. Period, boo. Okay, so oh, I'm gonna come back when it's all set up and y'all gonna see it come to life. Period. Yes, I am an owner of a MacBook. Stop playing with me. I'm annoying, y'all. I'm annoying. But cue Jeopardy music. I know that'll work. Okay. Oh, set it up now. I'm gonna set a Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Period, boo. Let's do it. Stop playing with a real girl. Period. Cause like Touch ID. Period. Apple Pay. We can set that up later. Oh, it has light. It got light. Y'all look. It got light, dark, or auto. Girl, I like it dark. Stop playing with me. Or I could choose it light, or I could go dark, or I could change it if I want to. Let's go with dark. Stop playing with me. It's ready for motion. Oh my god, y'all. After that long time. Anyway, so I finally have it. Isn't it so pretty? It's the colors for me. It gets given much everything. Everything. Okay? Okay, but like, y'all know what it is. Y'all finna get an update real soon. Cause you know I have a new Mackbook on her, you know, I'm finna set things up. So you know what it is and what it isn't. Let me stop. Anyways, y'all, this is the end of this video. So please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget that bell so you get notified when I drop another video. Anyways, guys, peace.